If you're looking for final expense life insurance and you have cancer or have had cancer in the past, we're going to talk about the 5 most important things you need to be aware of when you're shopping for final expense insurance, burial insurance, or cremation insurance. Our number 1 point is just educating you on final expense insurance and cancer. Now, final expense insurance can be used to pay for burial insurance, cremation insurance, final expense insurance, or even gifts to your loved ones. When people are diagnosed with cancer or have cancer, they are very aware of their own mortality and the fact that they are not going to live forever. And it's not surprising because cancer is the number 1 cause of death as we grow older. The insurance companies take diagnoses or current treatment of cancer very seriously, and they often have a 2-year look back on any diagnosis or treatment for cancer. But that does not mean that you can't get coverage, so keep watching the video. So the plans that we help people with don't require a doctor's visit or medical exam or anything like that. What they actually do is they just check your prescription records. So if they see that you're taking chemotherapy drugs, they're going to know that you're being treated for cancer. So our number 2 point, which I already alluded to, is there is no doctor visits or medical exams with these policies. In the old days, these plans were difficult to qualify for. You had to meet with the doctor, you had to have exams and everything, and it was a long, drawn-out process. These days, everything is done over the phone. It couldn't be more simple. And as far as cancer goes, the insurance companies don't even care about some cancers. Skin cancers, the insurance companies don't even care if you've had skin cancer in the past. Also, the insurance companies, if you have been treated and cured and given a clean bill of health, and it's been longer than 24 months, the insurance companies are going to treat you as if you never even had cancer in the first place. If your cancer or treatment has been longer than 24 months, you are going to qualify for the lowest prices out there. Our number 3 point is there are different types of burial insurance plans available for you. The first is called Simplified Issue Whole Life Insurance. And what that means is that you are going to get first day coverage with that policy. So if your cancer has been longer than 2 years ago and you haven't had any other treatments, you will qualify for first day coverage as long as you don't have any other significant health problems going on. So as I already mentioned, if it's been longer than 2 years since your cancer diagnosis or treatment, you will qualify for first day coverage. Now, if you have other health or medical problems, we'd have to take a look at those as well to get your total overall health picture. But by and large, you are going to qualify for first day coverage if your cancer diagnosis or treatment has been longer than 24 months. The second type of policy is called modified whole life insurance. We typically don't recommend this in most cases, but modified is going to give you phased in coverage over time. So for example, one company might give you 30% of the death benefit in the first year, 70% in the second year, and after that you'll get 100% of the death benefit. The reason we don't often recommend those plans is they tend to be very expensive, and you can typically get better coverage by going with a different type of plan than that. And the third type of policy is guaranteed issue whole life insurance. Now, if you are going through cancer right now, you're currently undergoing treatment, you would qualify for guaranteed issue life insurance. It doesn't ask any health questions at all. You might be wondering, what's the catch if it doesn't ask any health questions? Well, a guaranteed issue life insurance policy has first day coverage for any accidental or catastrophic cause of death. So it has immediate first day coverage for any accident or catastrophic cause of death. Now, if you were to die of a health or medical reason, it has a 2-year waiting period. And you might be thinking, what a ripoff! And we hear that often from folks. It's just a fact that the insurance companies would go out of business very quickly if they waited until everybody was diagnosed with cancer and gave them first day coverage. With this final expense insurance, burial insurance, or cremation insurance, it is not a good time to be a procrastinator. Best time to purchase this insurance is before you are diagnosed with a terminal illness. The insurance companies know that once you get past that 2-year period, your chances of living a long and healthy life after you've been treated for cancer are very, very good. Chances are you are going to live a long and healthy life after that time period. If you're diagnosed with a treatable form of cancer or very early stages of cancer, a guaranteed issue life insurance policy may be the right product for you. If you're not sure, call us and we can help you out and help you understand your options. Point number 4 with final expense life insurance for cancer patients is avoid term life insurance. We never recommend getting a temporary product for a permanent need. Term life insurance is a temporary product. It will end at some point. Whole life insurance lasts your entire life. I have lost count of the number of people that I have talked to in the past who have bought a term life insurance only to find out that that policy cancels once they get beyond age 80. And once you get beyond age 80, that's when you need this coverage the most. Why would you buy a temporary life insurance product for a permanent need for final expenses? I have no idea. Don't do it. Don't be the person that does that. If term life insurance ends once you get past age 80, how long does final expense whole life insurance last? Great news is whole life insurance lasts all the way until age 121 years old. Nobody has ever outlived one of these plans, and I don't think you will either. Our number 5 point is, when is the best time to buy final expense life insurance if you've had cancer in the past or are currently undergoing treatment for cancer? Well, if you are currently undergoing treatment for cancer and it is an invasive form of cancer or you are in the advanced stages of cancer, I don't recommend final expense insurance, burial insurance, cremation insurance at all. You may find some insurance agents out there that will still sell you that policy. We don't think it's a good idea at all. If you're actively undergoing treatment for cancer or have an advanced, aggressive form of cancer, why buy an insurance policy that won't pay out for 2 years? In most cases, it does not make sense. If you've had cancer in the past or currently have cancer that's very treatable, prostate example is a great example, one of the highest survivability rates of any cancer out there, then getting this insurance really makes sense, even if it has a 2-year waiting period. Fact of the matter is that you should get this insurance sooner rather than later. The best time to get this insurance is always right now. There was a time in the past when you didn't have cancer. There was a time in the past when you weren't being treated for cancer. That would have been the best time to buy this final expense life insurance. If your prognosis and treatment and outlook is good, get this insurance today while you still qualify for the lowest rates. If you have an advanced form of cancer, we don't recommend this insurance at all. Don't delay in purchasing this coverage. None of us is guaranteed another day of living, and none of us is guaranteed another day of healthy living. Any one of us could be diagnosed with any medical condition, and cancer is certainly one of the most prevalent ones as we get older. If you need help with final expense insurance, burial insurance, or cremation insurance, give us a call at our toll-free number. You can also find us online at our website. We look forward to helping you out with this. Until that day comes, you take care. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.